Bonjour mes étudiants 8th standard. I welcome you all to this new video. So in this video we are going to see leçon 10, encore une lettre de Rouen. So from this lesson we are going to see the French passage explanation today. So let's move on. And if you could see this image, it shows a sport. Okay, so basketball. So this is something related to the letter which is written by Rouen. Okay, so we are going to see a letter today. Okay, so the page number is 88. You can take 88 from your book and listen to me. So first I'll give one reading and then we will proceed. Rouen, le 24 novembre. Cher Ravi, tu ne me réponds pas. Reçois-tu mes lettres? Je vais bien et toi? Dans cette lettre, je parle de mes passe-temps et mes sports favoris. Le sport, c'est chouette. Surtout, j'aime jouer au tennis et au basketball. J'aime aussi regarder la télé, écouter la radio et dîner au restaurant. Le mercredi après-midi, nous n'avons pas de cours. Nous nous amusons avec nos amis ou nous faisons les devoirs. Le samedi après-midi, je vais au terrain de sport avec mes amis et nous jouons au basketball. Quelques élèves font de la musique ou de la danse. Quels sont tes loisirs? Ici, il fait très froid. Quel temps fait-il en hiver dans ton pays? Pendant les vacances de Noël, nous allons dans la montagne. J'aime faire du ski avec mon frère Denis. Il aime jouer au football, il aime lire, mais il déteste travailler. Quel sport préfères-tu? Réponds-moi vite, amitié Manuel. Okay, so this is a letter which is written to Ravi by Manuel. Okay, so Manuel wrote the letter to Ravi. Okay, so we are going to see line by line what they are discussing about. So first, cher Ravi, tu ne me réponds pas. So tu ne me réponds pas. So Manuel says, dear Ravi, you have not responded me the last time. Reçois-tu mes lettres? So the following line is, did you receive my letter or not? Okay. So the next line, je vais bien et toi? I'm fine, and how about you? Are you fine? Dans cette lettre, je parle de mes passe-temps et mes sports favoris. So, Manuel says, in this letter, he is going to speak about his time pass and what is his favorite sport. Le sport, c'est chouette. The sports, it's magnificent. I would say it is excellent. Okay. Le sport, c'est chouette. Surtout, j'aime jouer au tennis et au basketball. So, most of the time, I love to play tennis or basketball. J'aime aussi regarder la télé. I also love to watch TV, écouter la radio, listen to the radio, et dîner au restaurant, and to dine at a restaurant. Le mercredi après-midi, nous n'avons pas de cours. So, what Manuel says is, Wednesday afternoon, they don't have class at all. Nous nous amusons avec nos amis. So, at that time, we enjoy well with our friends. Ou nous faisons les devoirs. Or, we do our homeworks. Nous faisons les devoirs or we do our homeworks. Le samedi après-midi, je vais au terrain de sport avec mes amis. So, Saturday afternoon, I go to the sports ground with my friends et nous jouons au basketball. So, this is what you could see as an image. So, this is a Saturday afternoon, they play basketball at their ground. Nous jouons au basketball. Quelques élèves font de la musique et ou de la danse. So, some students, what they do some music or they dance. Quels sont tes loisirs? What are your hobbies? So what are your hobbies? Ici il fait très froid. So now he speaks about the climate. Here it is very cold. Quel temps fait-il en hiver dans ton pays? So how is the climate in your country at the time of winter? Pendant les vacances de Noël, nous allons dans la montagne. J'aime faire du ski avec mon frère Denis. So during the Christmas time, Noel means Christmas. During the Christmas time, we go to the mountains. J'aime faire du ski avec mon frère Denis. I would like to do ski. Ski is a kind of sport. So if it is a snow region, they do skiing. It is like skating. Okay. So if you want, you can Google this word called ski. So with whom he will ski? With his brother. His name is Dennis. Il aime jouer au football. So he likes to play football. Il aime lire, mais il déteste travailler. He likes to read, but he doesn't likes to work. Quel sport préfères-tu? So what sport do you prefer? Répondez-moi vite. So reply me fast. Amitié Manuel. So this is the letter. So this letter is written to Ravi by Manuel. So from this letter, Manuel is explaining about his time pass, what is his hobbies, and what's his favorite sport. So the first 3 or 4 lines you could see he was explaining about the sports or hobbies, whatever he does at home. And then in the second 3 lines he says the activities which he do during the Christmas time. He goes to the mountain and he plays skiing. Okay. So at the end of this letter, Manuel is asking questions to Ravi to talk about his favorite sports. Now the explanation is over. Now we are going to see the passage based exercise. So now the questions. Dites vrai ou faux. You have a pencil with you. Ravi écrit souvent à Manuel. So is it that Ravi often writes to Manuel? Dites vrai ou faux. So it is like Ravi doesn't writes often. Why? Because at the first line, see, tu ne me réponds pas. Tu ne me réponds pas. Reçois-tu mes lettres? So this indicates that he doesn't receive any of his letters. So next is Ravi aime le sport. So this letter was written by Manuel. So we don't know either Ravi likes the sports or not. So we can say faux again. Les élèves vont à l'école le mercredi après-midi. So is it that the students go to school in the afternoon? Wednesday afternoon? No. They don't go to school at the Wednesday afternoon. Because here it is mentioned le mercredi après-midi nous n'avons pas le cours. So it is understood. Les élèves vont à l'école, that is done. Emmanuel va dans la montagne pendant les vacances de Noël. So that is true. Manuel goes to mountain during the Christmas vacation. Okay, so it is true. So 3 faux and 1 vrai. J'adore le rock. C'est favori, c'est chouette. Amazing, we can say. Chouette is also amazing. So it is chouette. From the words of the text you have to say. So chouette is the answer. C'est beau livre saison mes dash favori devoir. Saison mes favori you can take. Dash chapeau achètes-tu. So this is plural. So Q-U-E-L-S. Il y a des crayons dash la boîte. Dans la boîte. So opposite of déteste J'adore, j'aime, you can write. Veno, veno means to come. Allez, allez, allons is the right answer. Sans means without, so avec means with. Chaud means hot, and froid is cold. So 2 questions. Qu'est-ce que Manuel écrit dans cette lettre? Qu'est-ce que Manuel écrit dans cette lettre? So what did Manuel write? So dans cette lettre, Manuel parle de passe-temps et sport favori. So you can write these 2 points. Quel sport aime-t-il? So which sports does Manuel likes? So that is the, so it is written clearly. Surtout j'aime jouer tennis et au basketball. So this is the answer. So from here you can copy. So the answers are being given. So let's have one more reading of this particular French passage. Okay, so I'll give a reading, so just go through. Rouen, le 24 novembre. Cher Ravi, tu ne me réponds pas? Reçois-tu mes lettres? Je vais bien, et toi? Dans cette lettre, je parle de mes passe-temps et mes sports favoris. Le sport, c'est chouette. Surtout, j'aime jouer au tennis et au basketball. J'aime aussi regarder la télé, écouter la radio et dîner au restaurant. Le mercredi après-midi, nous n'avons pas de cours. Nous nous amusons avec nos amis ou nous faisons les devoirs. Le samedi après-midi, je vais au terrain de sport avec mes amis et nous jouons au basketball. Quelques élèves font de la musique ou de la danse. Quels sont-ils les soirs? Ici, il fait très froid. Quel temps fait-il en hiver dans ton pays? Pendant les vacances de Noël, nous allons dans la montagne. J'aime faire du ski avec mon frère Denis. Il aime jouer au football, il aime lire, mais il déteste travailler. Quel sport préfères-tu? Réponds-moi vite. So the reading is given. So your homework is you try to translate this in English. So that will be a homework for today. So you have to translate this explanation in English translation. Okay, so you have to translate, and for your online test you have to revise this exercise number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So out of this 4 exercises, I will ask few questions for your online test. So that's it. We are towards the end of the session. So I'll just give a idea how to translate it. First, translate it line by line. Rouen, le 24 novembre. So the place, okay, and the date. And this is cher Ravi, dear Ravi. Tu ne réponds pas. So I did not receive any reply from you. Do you receive my letters? I am good, and how about you? This is the letter. In this letter, I am going to speak about my hobbies and my favorite sports. The sports, it is amazing. Most of the time I love to play tennis and basketball. I also watch TV, listen to radio, and to dine at restaurant. So Wednesday afternoon, no, we don't have course. We don't have class. So we will all enjoy with our friends, or we do our homeworks. So at Saturday afternoon, we go to the sports ground with my friends, and we play basketball. Some of the students do music and they dance. What is your hobbies? And here it is, the climate is very cold. What is the climate in your country during the winter time? During the Christmas vacation, we go for mountains and we do skiing with my brother. I do skiing with my brother. I like to play football. He likes to play football, and he likes to read, but he doesn't likes to work. Quel sport préfères-tu? Réponds-moi vite. So what sports do you prefer, and please reply me fast. So this is a small sketch I have given. You can just go through and you can translate on your own. So during the live class I'll ask for the translation. So this is for you guys. So from this lesson I am planning to teach this French passage and conjugation alone first. Other exercise, if we have time before third midterm, I'll teach. If not, we will carry it for the annual. Okay, so this lesson you have to learn French passage as well as conjugation first. Okay, so conjugation we'll see in the next class. So that's it for you guys. Merci mes étudiants. Bonne journée, bonne chance.